All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, should flat rate go away in dealerships? Now, I know this is going to be really pissing a lot of people off. So this topic came up the other day. There was a local dealership here in Atlanta posting for technicians, and they did a lot of things right. They posted the pricing they were willing to pay for those technicians. You know, they weren't going, oh, price competitive with, yada, yada. No, they actually listed how much they were willing to pay and a range. And somebody posted in the comments of that post that, basically did a long rant about high-level technicians shouldn't be on flat rate if they're having to deal with yada, yada, yada. And I agree. Eric, who works here, is a perfect example. He was a shop foreman at a Subaru dealership. He dealt with all those problems. He was on salary. He dealt with the weird noise complaints. He rode with customers. And I agree, that's what a shop foreman at those kind of facilities should be paid. They should be paid a very nice salary and have to deal with a lot of those high-end problems. But if you think a dealership, i.e. the manufacturer, is going to dump flat rate, you're crazy. And while I will agree, for sure, some of the warranty times they pay is stupid, and they should be slapped repeatedly for trying to put those warranty times out there. And that is something I will 100% agree with anybody out there when they cut warranty times to, well, impossible times. I mean, I know in the real world here, customer pay, most times I can easily beat flat rate, customer pay. But if you look at warranty pay, it gets a little tougher, especially in the aftermarket where you don't work on the same cars over and over and over again. But I digress. Do I think flat rate's going away? No. No, I don't. It's never going away. I mean, at least not anytime soon, probably never in my lifetime will flat rate go away. Now, I personally prefer working on flat rate in an independent shop. Well, because I make more money. The vast majority out there go salary, hourly, and it's a horrible idea from, well, anybody's but the guy that's taking the, salary or hourly, because, the old motto, the boss makes $1, I make a dime, so I poop on company time. That happens so often. Lost productivity in offices is, 10, 12 hours a week just looking at social media on the job, when there's no incentive to, well, turn and burn. There's no incentive to put out more work, right? There isn't, just isn't. A case can be very much made for hourly or salary and a performance-based bonus system. And I think a lot of people would be fine with that. Manufacturers, not so much. Keep in mind, California has removed flat rate as an option in California, so they have to be hourly employees. The manufacturer still pays the dealership whatever a book pays for that job. So if an hourly employee takes 6 hours to do a job that paid an hour, they lost 6 hours of pay. And that's how, people get out of jobs. But when it comes down to it, you can moan and gripe all you want about flat rate. It's not going away in the dealership industry. It's just not. If you don't want to work flat rate, find a shop that doesn't pay flat rate. Chances are you're probably going to make less. Chances are, not for sure. You might make more, depending on the shop. But the thing is it's not going away. You can complain about it all you want. It's not going away. Sorry for the little reality slap, but as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.